Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lipton onion soup gravy. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix, 2 cups of water or beef broth, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This simple combination forms the base for a rich and flavorful gravy. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the dry Lipton onion soup mix and the 2 tablespoons of flour until well blended. This step is crucial for a smooth gravy. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of water or beef broth while continuously whisking. Keep stirring until there are no lumps, creating a uniform mixture before you turn on the heat. With your ingredients combined, place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir the mixture frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Bring the gravy to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, continuing to stir occasionally. You'll notice it gradually thickens to a perfect gravy consistency, ready for your favorite dishes. Your delicious Lipton onion soup gravy is now ready to serve. Pour it generously over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or any dish that could use a boost of savory flavor. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if you feel it needs a little extra something. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade gravy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.